Hello Brummelton and Northern Virginia, I'm Craig with Geek ABC. Geek ABC offers a variety of services to help you with your home and small business computers and networks. Our services start as basic as fixing a broken PC, laptop, or Mac, and get as complicated as setting up a secure wireless network with file and print sharing. If you're thinking of upgrading your system, we can help you find the best options for a new computer, printer, or laptop. If your computer is running slow, we can perform a system tune-up and remove any possible virus infections. If you've ever lost one of your most important documents or pictures, we can help you set up the best possible backup solution as well as recover files from a damaged hard drive. If you bought a new computer, we can help you set it up and transfer over all your files and documents. You don't have to struggle with your computer issues alone. We'll identify the problem and provide a solution at the best possible price. Geek ABC offers same-day on-site support for your PCs, Macs, printers, and wireless networks. We're locally owned and operated, and we come to you. Our industry-standard technicians provide fast, reliable, and affordable service with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We're fully licensed and insured, so you can feel confident that your data and equipment are in good hands. That's service you can trust. Call us today at 877-GEEK-ABC. That's 877-433-5222. Or look us up on the web, www.geekabc.com. I'm Craig with Geek ABC, your local on-demand IT services provider, and we're here to help.